Hi everybody. So I was not able to download a lot of my footage. So for 11th I recorded it and I wasn't able to download anything. And on this page I'm talking about electric lights, and it had a lot of those pictures on the right side, so I just added my own and the note as usual. So I do show you how I get this page started, but what I will do in the end is just show you pictures of how it all turned out, because I have them all recorded. And normally what I do is go to OneDrive and download it onto my laptop and then use iMovie, and because I'm not like a high-tech person with editing, I just use the basic stuff. But for some reason most of my files are not downloading in, like, I have several videos showing you step by step everything that I did, and it's not downloading. All right, so for this page, what I show here is what happened for that day. And actually, I think this happened on the 13th, but it's fine because I do something different on the next page. So it's somewhere that I documented it, so I'm okay with it. And it's basically just saying that I started to do more exercise, because I hate exercise so much, but definitely need to be better about my health, and I don't want to wait until January to do that. So that's what's going on that side. And I go on to put a picture of myself. But for the right side, what I'm doing is using the mistletoe card, because that's basically what this Christmas note is about. And as many of you know, I do watercolors, I do line drawings, but I haven't done that in a long time, and I rarely do it in my daily planners. And before the end of the month, I want to incorporate more of those things in, because basically what I do is collage in this December daily, and just write little notes, just put down scrap paper that has a Christmas theme, and that's basically it. Somehow it all comes together. I love to use the washi tape to kind of frame everything, but I want to be a lot more adventurous moving forward with the pages. It's just, this was very quick and easy for me to do, and especially since so much is happening. And this is what I'm talking about for this particular day. I showed how I got to this stage. And so what I'm putting down right now is a card to the right hand side. But basically everything has been put down, because this page is talking about Christmas gifts. And I was going to save it until the 25th, but on the 25th I think I'm going to have so much more to include that I think it's fine, because I did get a lot of the things that I purchased during Black Friday and Cyber Monday. They're coming in the mail, and so I get them, I put them underneath the tree, and so that's basically what I'm going to be writing about. To the left, you notice that I put something in a pocket, so I had this sort of transparent card looking, I don't know what you call it, and I made it into a pocket, and so that I'd be able to see, what's in there. And as you know, I've done this before with the postcard, those little postcards. I put writing paper on the back, and so this is just one of those that I decided to use here. And so even though you see me putting down this sticker to the left, I'm actually going to remove it, because I end up using that same sticker to the right. And I decided, after putting down all of the names of the people in my family, I said, you know what, I'd rather it not be visible, because I mean, even though most of them don't watch my channel, I don't want them to kind of see the plans that I have for Christmas, you know. And that's just some tea I'm drinking. You know I love tea, and I always have tea while I work. It's so relaxing. And this is why I look forward to doing this, and I'm glad I'm back to doing this, because after a long day, it's very therapeutic to just sit and journal and kind of scrapbook collage about the day and Christmas plans, right? So I got this Christmas image from one of the books that I thrifted. I think I got it from Goodwill. And so I have a few of these images, and I thought this would be a better thing to put over a list that was like so visible on the page, rather than just having it in the piece that I put in the pocket. So I'm just going to put this image over that, because you know it has, you know, Santa with gifts, so it's a perfect picture to use right there. And one of the major things that I like about this book that I sold is that I kept a lot of the images from the original text so that it works with whatever layout I'm gonna have, because it's just to make it festive. And I did use this Peace and Joy card to cover up what was there before, and here I'm just putting down a transparent decorative piece, and all I'm really gonna have are just a few images like this image of a car, because I talk about getting back into driving, facing my phobia about driving in America, and especially since now I have no choice because I've moved to a city where if you don't drive, it's really difficult for you to get anywhere quickly. I mean, you can take the bus and you can take the Martha, but it's just not cost effective to keep taking Ubers or trying to get the bus, and especially when it's so cold now. So I'm really proud of myself for facing my phobia. I mean, I do have a Jamaican license, but ever since I came here, I just found a way around it, and there's no way around it now. But I've been doing pretty well, and that should sort itself out very soon. And so what I really like to do is with these blank spaces, just put the little cards, and I keep them, as you know, within reach. The small cards, I just go through them and just pick out what I want before recording, because it makes it faster. This is the only page I think you get to see its completion, because I was able to download all the clips. And it's so unfortunate that I did not get to do that with the others. For some reason, those files just won't download, but I was able to do that for day 14. And I think what happens with the washi tape on the pages like this, it makes it a little sturdier, in my opinion. I don't know if that's true, but it feels sturdier when I do that. Alright guys, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching and walk good.